the shittest line. Whoa, this wall is sick. Whoa. What is this random place? Bro. Don't know what this place is, but I know for a thing. Wow. What the fuck is this? Wow, what the fuck is this? This is a perfect place to eat food. Bro, Arthur, this place is beautiful. Bro, there's stairs. Okay, we're just climbing up the steps. Wait, hold up. Whoop. And I see some building, bro. It's like some cube. There's a cube with a tunnel. Oh my gosh, that drop is big. You can't tell on camera. That's a big drop.